Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. We're all of that girl. We're all of that girl. Let's get into it. Pull up a chair, and let us get talking. Let us talk about what's going on in our society, our neighborhood, up in the wood, up in the house with the members and the powerful Jasmine Cratchit and her powerful B6. She just a shoot them po po po. And I'm saying, when you see someone that can pull out a tongue twister in seconds, that person is a dangerous person. That person is an educator. That person is excellent. That person is eloquent. That person is an enthusiastic person. That person is elegant. Yeah, la la la. That person is that and all a bag of chip. And somebody need to school them in that place. And I'm telling you, when she pull out her B6 and start to shop, pop, 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 pop. Yeah. Yeah, I was like, whoo, shaka doodle doo. Nobody did tell her. Nobody want her. Nobody. Oh, her granny didn't tell her that you never take a knife to a sword fight. You cannot take a knife to a sword fight. And you never read the board. You're on the board, but you never read the people that is sitting around. You're on the board. Go read the board. Go read the notice, but go read the board. And I'm telling you, man, I am just proud of this girl. I'm just proud of this woman, this young woman, this eloquent young woman that could put those tongue twisters together in such an elegant and exquisite, excellent manner. She put it together real well. Because somebody did not read and somebody did not know what they were doing. Start a war that they couldn't finish. When you're gonna call name, when you're gonna be a bully, you better know how to ride. If you can't ride, and if you cannot cook, get out of the kitchen. Because as I said before, anybody can put such words together in seconds. That powerful B6 in seconds. That's a person you want to stay away from. That's a matter of fact. You should be a friend of that person because that person can actually teach you something. But then some of us, we can't learn anything. We can't learn anything. And the only thing we're good at is to bully others. And it's so sad. It's so sad. Talking about, I wonder what she would say with this higher. What do I look like? But it's not what we look like. It's not what we wear. It's what is up here. It's what we can turn around and say like that. And it takes. And I love how she put her stuff together. I love how Jasmine put herself together. I love when she's asking questions and the way she's a lawyer anyways. But when she asks her question, it will be like, ooh, shock, shuka, doogle, doo. That person just fall right into it. That was just a proper setup for a proper comeback. Eh? Encore, 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 encore. We must always listen to our grandmother. Don't take a knife to a sword fight. And Jasmine, I love the way you're working it. I love your way you're working it. The bum diggity. Bum diggity. Yeah. I like the way you work it. Bum diggity. Yeah, man. Yes. Good job. Good job. It shows that we're not only black. We're beautiful. And behind that makeup and that rouge, we have something upstairs here. Yeah, we're very intelligent people, very intellectual as well. So, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And thank you for coming back to my channel and pulling up a chair, and let we show each other that we as women need to come together, whether you're black, white, or blue. We need to come together, because when I see shots going pie, and it's a knockout round. If you follow this woman and how she put things together, and how she asks questions, and you know what I love about her? When she's talking, if someone is saying something to her, she's like, look, when I'm ready to ask you a question, I will ask you the question. But for right now, I am talking straight up, straightforward, straight up and straightforward. Because now is a time that we need to speak up, and we need to let people know that we have a voice and we're speaking. So you listen. That's the reason why God give us one of this and two of these. Yes. And I like the way how she put her stuff together, man. She have her bill and her receipt. When I said put her thing together and a bill or a receipt, the famous disinfectant and the bleach for COVID. Ooh, I love that setup, how she asked a question, because that was supposed to be administered to us people. Because we have COVID, we're going to wash it out with bleach and disinfectant. We're going to get it injected. I watched the news. I saw it. I saw it for myself, and I was like, oh, shucks, what's that? Because you get out the stain out of the clothes, you think you can get out the COVID out of people inside bleach? Disinfectant? Injected? Is that a way of experimenting on people? You know what? Leave it alone. Leave that alone. I leave them to Jasmine. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And thank you for coming back to my channel. What good? Come back again, New Year.